Here we had the little angel there in the middle of the garland gowns by the Sarcolens. Reading his first phrasing town festival, la Festa Mayor. Milano Street 2012.